We've been researching and testing popular products available today to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
F.BLUMLEIN JU3200 is a combination convection steam oven that allows you to cook like never before. Still having trouble choosing between a steam oven or a convection oven? F.BLUMLEIN is the best of both worlds. A traditional steam oven can heat up your food quickly and keep it moist, but your food may come out soggy. On the other hand, a convection oven may produce a crispy, evenly browned result, but can leave your food dry and hard to swallow. F.BLUMLEIN perfectly combines steam and convection functions to give you shorter cooking times and moist, juicy food with a crispy exterior. So what makes F.BLUMLEIN JU3200 so special? It's your perfect 10-in-1 kitchen solution. Steam, high-temperature steam, grill, convection, combi, preheat, defrost, fermentation, sterilize, and descale functions, all in one convenient package. The generous interior space measures 1.14 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 3.5-pound chicken, a 10-inch pizza, an 8-inch chiffon cake, 18 egg tarts, 16 chicken wings, and even a large tomahawk cut of steak. Instead of the 80 to 120 minutes max steam time of other brands, cooking could be extended to approximately 180 minutes with a full reservoir of F.BLUMLEIN, thanks to its advanced Air Plus technology. This feature also guarantees less steam would be expelled from the oven during cooking, which provides better protection for your kitchen cabinets. A 304 stainless steel interior, anti-scald 3-layer glass door with aluminum handle, and the removable upper stainless steel heating element make this oven safe and durable. Cooking a gorgeous meal for your whole family with F.BLUMLEIN steam convection oven is simple and easy. Now, enjoy moist, crispy, and most important, healthy food with the F.BLUMLEIN steam convection oven.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.